HAPPY, which stands for HIV and AIDS Prevention and Empowerment Project for Young People and Positive Mothers in Obi community. One of the reasons why HAPPY project was cited in this community was as a result of the high prevalence of HIV in this community, especially in Nasarawa State as a whole, and also in this community. There was also the need to increase the social-economic status of the positive women in this community, and that was one of the core reasons or the core objectives of HAPPY project. So far, HAPPY project has been able to engage some indigenes of the local government as community enlighteners, as volunteers, to work in schools, in HAPPY clubs, all right, in schools and in communities, to actively engage youths and adolescents between the ages of 10 to 24 on HIV prevention, as well as social issues surrounding adolescents, such as puberty, pimples, substance abuse, and so many and much more, so much more.
A cikin aikin comment da nake yi shine ina bin anguwan gari na in ba su ilimi akan wa'insu topics da CFHI sun zo mana da shi. Ina je school man gaya musu, sannan na tara matasa a anguwan sake gaya musu.
This program for CFHI, I don't so where I saw people gather ourselves for mirror. So I just come and see them. I collect I see the paper, I won't bring, I saw the paper, I don't read it. I read it and say CFHI is not program to help people. Don't see them. Say this CFHI for program for Ampiclos HIV. Well, I saw them. I tell this my friend, say me, I just want to look these people who gather themselves for mirror here. Just come and see them.
I learned about psychoactive substances, self-esteem, peer pressure, and some of them.
The thing I like for the HAPPY Club, they are teaching very well for person how person learn from HIV with some things that is very good for person. That is why.
If you are a person working with Reza, you need to carry to use it again. For you to teach me this lesson, if I use this Reza, I don't use it again. Or carry my money and go buy my own separate. If you don't use my own, or if you give to another person. If you give to another person, if you have problem, if you are going to take the problem. Or baby salo. The claim if you don't carry a letter, if you don't do it, it's not go to a port.
A lokacin da ina yawon fara wannan aikin da youth na gari na, wahalan da na samu da su shine gashi yaran suna so su yi abun, amma wani lokaci ba su da ilimi akan abun ba su gane mene kana kokarin ka zo musu da shi ba ma. In ka je su jujjuye ka je nan ka je can. Sanda mun je wurin mai anguwan gari, mun je wurin sarkin gari, ya ba da notice, mun je wurin youth leader na anguwa, ya sign, ya tara mana yara tukuna daga 1, 2, 3 zuwa 4 tukuna har sun karu, har mun samu mun shawo kansu mun fara aiki da su.
By that time that I not enjoy the things, I'm very, very bad boy in that time. Because that time I'm a smoking guy. I'm going anyhow, man, some friends, they take me some enter party and some things like this. My behavior is not good. Sometimes my father, they talk about me, they vex about me. And so I enter the HAPPY Club. HAPPY Club can't teach me well.
When they have parties, I used to go there with my peers. I used to take all these Indian hands, bad things. But now, since I have joined the Center for Family Health Initiative, I have leave all what I'm doing, all the bad attitude that I'm doing. Now I'm good.
If before me and the tech, I just smoke igbo worldwide. So for CFE chat, I just entered the program, but I enjoy myself now. Even if you get house, you see my mother or my father like this, like when me at the party with them for us, he told me something, they tell me wrong facing, wrong talk. It's not good talk, must say they tell me. But I entered this program, CFE chat. But she teach me lesson, me I understand it. That's why I don't leave it now. Even now the tech you go all medicine must say 200 is only totally anything whatever. But I entered CFE chat, but I don't leave it now.
To yanda na shawo kan matsalan shine kamar yanda na fada da sun fara bamu wahala saboda rashin ilimi akan abin ne, amma da muka je wurin mai anguwa da youth leader na anguwan mun gaya mishi abin da Happy Club yake nufi da abin da sun zo da shi, sun je sun tara mana yaran kuma sun bayyana da manufansu har yaran sun samu sun cooperate.
I have to enlighten them about what is good and what is not good. Or like I will give them an example with myself that before I'm good and bad, but now since I have joined the Center for Family Health Initiative, this is what they told me, and I go on how they told me. As far as I go on about how they told me, I leave it, and now I became good. They should take close example to me. So what they agree is they have to do.
Before the coming of CFHI in Obi, honestly speaking, so many things were going wrong. Particularly, we have some school leavers, we have some adolescent children, particularly those children that the family or the parent die of HIV. And they need support. So many things are needed. But with the nature of the poverty in the environment and whatever, we are not able to contest the situation. But we are fortunate to have the arrival of the CFHI in Obi about a year ago. And in fact, their coming has created a lot of impact to our society. Particularly when they engage some of our youth as volunteers. They gave them training, and this training means a lot of education. It imparted a lot of knowledge in our youth. So it improved their educational knowledge. Apart from that, they embark off some empowerment scheme. They train some of our youth on so many aspects of life: shoes making, tailoring, barbing and whatever. And not only training. After training, they empower some of these youth. They distributed most of these items to our youth that can make them safe living, that keep them safe living so that they cannot go from one place to another just like they were redundant. But presently, most of them, they have something doing. They are dependent of themselves. They have a lot of jobs. Some of them even employ some people under them, or would they train them in that capacity.
To a garin nan gaba daya dai na lura da muna da karancin ilimi a wayansu abubuwan da bamu san su ba. Amma da zuwan kamar ababen kamar wani lokaci zaka ga youth namu suna yawo ne kawai. Ba su da abin yi, ba su da nasuwa. In ana fada wuri zaka gansu a wuri, in ana wani abin shirme nan ne suke. Amma zuwan Happy Club nan a bangaren youth kadai ya hana su abubuwa da dama kuma ya sa rayuwarsu ya ci gaba. Wayansu ba su a makaranta wanda muna musu a community, amma zuwan su har sun fara zuwa makaranta. Wayansu suna ciki amma sun bari, amma zuwan su sun ci gaba da makarantansu. Wayansu kuma suna yawace amma yanzu sun samu nasuwa, wanda har iyayenmu ma suna cikin wayanda sun more wannan NGO din. Moran da suka yi sun zo ditu maganan da suke za su tara iyayenmu su ba su shawara kuma sun karba har sun tura yaran sun zo su ji maganganun da ake gaya musu kuma ya amfane su sun koya musu wayansu abin da za su iya taimaki rayuwarsu sannan sun koya sun iya har wayansu ma sun amfana da shi.
Before shoes making was a business of men or male youth, but with the coming of CFHI we experienced our young women that were trained on this scheme were able to be on their own. It's a great achievement. We really appreciate and we wish they should keep it on.
Ce a nan zan yi magana sosai saboda farko lokacin da na samu aiki da CFHI din na gama secondary school na ne kawai kuma na daidai ban ma je makaranta ba tun da na gama secondary school saboda ba ni da abin yi. Amma zuwan su da na nemi aiki da su na samu kuma da na shiga duk da sun ce mu zama volunteer ne amma suna dan ba mu wani abin da zai dan rufa mana asiri da wannan abin na samu na dan aje kadan har ana sayar da form na School of Health na je na siya form din na fill kuma suna na ya fita har na samu admission school din. Admission da na samu ina cikin CFHI din na je school da na je school yanzu ma har mun yi prelim exams kenan na dawo na kara kama aiki da su.
All right. One way that some of the achievements of Happy Project so far in this community, we've seen a massive engagement of the youths from just being unemployed or being idle into engaging them by way of the Happy Club meetings that is being held in communities and schools. Another way Happy Project has been able to increase the socioeconomic status of both the young women, adolescents, and positive mothers in this community has been evidently seen through the empowerment, the vocational training being done, as well as the empowerment of these positive women and the youths within the community. All right, we hope that at the end of this project, Happy, we hope that the youths, we can see a drift, we can also see them as change champions in this community and of course in other communities that they might find themselves in the future. We hope that at the end of this project, we hope to see some of these youths gaining or aspiring to be something much more in their lives. We hope to see those within the communities enrolling into schools, and we hope to see those community enlighteners as ambassadors and change champions within their communities.
I can say thank you for the Happy Club, but the Happy Club helped me.
Once they have told me I have to follow it, as far as I follow it, I see that now I'm good. I have to thank them. May God give them more strength so as they will teach my fellows who want coming at my back again.
Abin da zan iya gaya musu shine na farko na gode ma wanda ta kirkire shi asalin organization din kafin ma'aikatansu har wayanda suka samu daman zuwa gobe a nan sun dibe mu a aiki kamar especially kamar Mr. Alona Diwa da Kenya sun da suna nan tare da mu gaskiya sun taimaka mu kuma sun so rayuwarmu ya ci gaba kuma ni na ga cewa su so na gode kuma muna musu addu'a ko da program din ya kare za mu so su kara renew na shi a Obibo